right, my friends, this is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This one is going to be data entry, paying $25 an hour, and they're paying weekly, so you don't have to wait to get your money. We're going to dive all in. The links to both the pages that I'm sharing are always directly linked in the YouTube description box below this video. And please, if you enjoy job leads like this, you can let me know by giving this video a thumbs up like button or leaving something in the comments, and of course share with all your friends and family so we can all work from home living our happiest, healthiest life. Today's job lead is from the company TCW Global. They have 233 reviews on Glassdoor with an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.9 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a remote work from home data entry specialist. Now, they are hiring throughout the United States, but they do want you to be able to work Monday through Friday, 8 to 5 Eastern Standard Time. So if you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. This is going to be a 1-year, 12-month contract, and they have a great potential for extension beyond a year, paying again $25 an hour. They are looking for somebody who has at least 2 years of recent some kind of data entry experience, customer service experience. You have great written communication skills and Microsoft Excel. But if that is you, they're looking for somebody to develop subject matter expert in processing and invoicing their capital service agreements. You'll manage the customer asset and the service agreement records, including contact updates, warranty repairs, loaners, and other service requests, processing these invoices for capital returns, placements, and all the things. You'll obtain purchase orders from the customers for repair processing, prioritizing and responding to requests from field reps and customers, working to resolve just any issues that you can with all of their documents. You got to make sure all the correct documents are in place. Now, they are requiring a high school diploma, and also somebody who has experience with documenting forms into the system. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for, because I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button, share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.